Have you ever wondered how the universe started? There are many theories and concepts, but only one came out on the top. That's the Big Bang Theory. About 13.8 billion years ago, not even the galaxies, not even the planets, and not even the time, there was absolute zero and silence. Then there arrives a point where trillions of degrees of heat and energy equivalent to form all the universe, the galaxies, and even the planets. And in meanwhile, Big Bang is not a blast that created the universe, it's the constant expansion of the point which created all space and time. After the constant expansion of the point, the matter was not yet created. All there was just pure energy in the space. We all know the famous equation E is equal to mc square, right? Where energy can turn into matter. After the energy split into two types, one is the matter particles and other one is the antimatter particles. But when the matter and the antimatter particles collide, they again form energy. So they are not formed in equal proportion. For every 1 billion antimatter particles, there forms 1,000,000,001 matter particles. The remaining matter particles all combine to form the stars and the galaxies in the universe. And all this process happened in a billionth of a second. Imagine how fast the process has happened. In this billionth of a second, the universe expanded from atom to 60 million miles. Now, the universe should create elements in order to form other planets and heavenly bodies. So, the mass containing the protons and neutrons combine and fuse together to form the lightweight elements like hydrogen and helium. And these elements combine together at one place, concentrated, creating a gravitational force around them and attracting other atoms, creating the heavenly bodies known as stars, just as our sun. And due to the great forces of these stars and the gravitational energy, these helium and hydrogen atoms combine inside the stars to form other elements of the periodic table such as heavy metals like iron and zinc, etc. And other elements are formed by supernova explosions and with great such force like uranium and other radioactive elements. So that's about the Big Bang Theory and the birth of our universe. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.